All right, guys, we're here at the Helendorf Inn in Helen, Georgia. And hey, guys, look, room 707, or if you turn it upside down, it's LOL. But y'all want to do a room tour? Let's go. Of course, you always got to have a key card to get in, right? So let's go on in here. Well, there's Miss Alma, Miss Ellie Mae. Now, we just got an old standard room in the 700 block of the building. Now, you got to go upstairs, but look, you got everything you need, right? Heat, air, a little table to sit at. This one right here's got, what, 2 queen beds or standard beds, whatever it is. Plenty of room for us 3. You got your little nightstand and lamp. Here's your TV and your phone. You open up this drawer right here. Well, there's a microwave, some storage down there. That's where Miss Alma made me put my clothes. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4 more drawers right there. Over here, well, more storage. Probably at one point had that refrigerator in there, but now it don't. More storage. Little alarm clock. Now we'll walk in here, look, got your vanity outside the bathroom. You've got a Keurig type coffee maker, there's a hair dryer. You got some amenities there. A little more storage underneath. An ironing board, a few hangers hang things up, a little stool, and then just your little old standard bathroom. There you go. Room 707 at the Helendorf Inn. Tell them bye.